Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here as we look at week 14 having to do with historical immigration. And we're also going to kind of go over a few things with the final you'll eventually be doing. But as usual, at the beginning of the week, look through your grades, go back through all of your grade book, make sure everything from last week's complete, and set up a plan for this week. Kind of a light week. You do have a weekly quiz, the week 14 quiz, which go ahead and take it as a pretest. You know, keep the points really low as the pretest. You will need to definitely do the virtual field trip in order to get that. But go ahead and do that on Monday. Do it so you know what's coming up. This Exploring Geographic Issues is kind of getting you set up ready for the final that you'll eventually have in a couple of weeks here. Then you'll do your virtual field trip to Ellis Island, and you have a discussion board going on this week. And then, of course, on Friday, retake the quiz. You'll have all the answers you need after taking the virtual field trip to Ellis Island. And since you took it on Monday, you know exactly what you're looking for. Just a reminder, as we are coming up to the end of the semester, time to really closely watch and stay with your schedule each week, but also be looking back, make sure if there's anything you need to complete, you get all that done. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Testing again this week on Wednesday, so I don't think any sixth graders are coming to campus this Wednesday, but as usual, just reach out to me however you need to, and we'll get all caught up. All right. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.